Hey guys, we received this RitFit folding exercise mat for test and try. So let's see how this goes. Um, so as my first impression with the packing, that this is a very foldable design. So you can fold this. Also like the 2-inch thick, as you can see it here, even more. And this one is a really thick foam. So based on the quality, this is really nice quality as I see the form, and I will show you later on as well. This is for the flooring protection, or for your workout or anything, can be used for yoga, uh, and like anything you want on a hardwood floor, you can put this mattress, or on the flooring, carpet flooring also. This have the velcro in the bottom, so I will show you that as well. So this is the whole size. As you can see, this really holds well, waterproof material on the top, so it's easy to clean and just wipe it off. And then also have the velcro here, so you can just put this on a carpet or something, so it will not move. And then folding is also pretty straightforward. So this one have the handles and waterproof material with the enhanced thickness. So basically it can be used for any other purpose. So I'm just unfolding it. As you can see, this really unfold very easily, and then it's attached to each other like a good mat. And then it's a very like thick foam, so for the kids it's a fun to play, and they're jumping, they're enjoying doing or exercise or anything, so it's really nice. So it's a good thing for the kids as well, for the adults as well. So have fun. You can use it in any other way you want because it's easy to clean. So just wipe it off, and then foam is also thick, as you can see it here. So my overall impression is a really great exercise mat, and you can just use it the way you want, and then you can not feel any stretch or the stress here. And you can see like on the palm, if I'm doing it, the remove, the foam is thick, so it can easily handle that. And folding is easy. You can just carry it anywhere you want and just put it wherever you want to, and store it easily. So storage is easy, cleaning is easy, using is easy, folding, unfolding is easy. Very nice exercise mat. You can take anywhere you want.